Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to check your internet speed directly from the command line. As you can see, with a simple speed test command, we can measure download speed, upload speed, and network latency. Normally, the most common way to check your internet speed is to open a browser and go to the Speedtest website to measure your network speed, like this. But there is a more convenient way. The Speedtest tool allows us to install and run it directly on Windows, so we can check our internet speed right from the command line without opening a web browser. In the command prompt window, we will enter the following command to search for the Speedtest package. After searching, a list of packages will appear. Now we will install the Speedtest CLI package using the following command. Normally, the package will be installed right away after running the command. However, if you encounter an error like this, you can try installing it again by specifying the source directly in the command. After the installation is complete, simply run the Speedtest command to start checking your internet speed. On the first run, you need to type yes to accept the license agreement. Right after that, the program will automatically start testing our network speed. During this process, it will measure important internet connection metrics, including latency, ping, download speed, and upload speed. In just a few seconds, the test results will be displayed directly in the command line window. Once the installation is complete, from now on you just need to open the command prompt window and type the Speedtest command to quickly check your internet speed. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can also use Super Thanks to support the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.